We all use tools every day to make data-driven decisions. All of us could pull out our phones right now and get personalized financial recommendations based upon our assets, spending habits, and preferences. But doctors today don't really have data-driven tools to help them make decisions about their patients. In fact, doctors often don't know what happens to their patients once they leave the hospital or how they could have intervened to improve that patient's outcomes. Should we be surprised then that 25%, 1/4 of all healthcare dollars are wasted in large part due to challenges in decision-making? My name is Jordan Engbers. I am the CEO and co-founder of Cohesic, and I'm here to tell you about how we are changing this. Our mission at Cohesic is to create intelligent tools that help doctors manage risk for cardiovascular patients because there is an opportunity here to improve outcomes for these patients and reduce healthcare costs. In fact, in 2019, Frost & Sullivan released a report that predicted clinical decision support systems are poised to become the user interface of choice for clinical interactions. At Cohesic, we have created the next evolution of clinical decision support system, which we call the Cohesic Decision Intelligence Platform, or Cohesic DI. We designed our platform to generate high-quality data, control clinical workflow, and deliver decision intelligence, and we started within cardiovascular imaging. We are now using this data to predict patient-specific risks for outcomes like heart failure, sudden cardiac death, and atrial fibrillation, which result in poor outcomes for patients and high healthcare costs. Now let me show you how Cohesic DI works, focusing on how doctors report cardiac CT cases using our flagship product, CardioDI, which was built on top of our platform. Traditionally, doctors dictate or type reports to describe what they see in a cardiac CT exam. With CardioDI, doctors instead use our proprietary carrot diagram to create a personalized representation of the patient's coronary arteries, any disease that is present, such as blockages, and prior interventions like bypass grafts and stents. Once they are done creating this diagram, CardioDI translates it into structured data and generates sentences that consistently and clearly communicate information to other doctors and even the patient themselves. By using CardioDI, the doctor creates both an enhanced report and high-quality data that can be used to support clinical decisions. At Cohesic, we believe that better care can be achieved through better data, and the market agrees. We have a rapidly growing customer base within the US, the UK, and Canada, including large healthcare networks. We have helped hundreds of thousands of patients across these markets. We sell annual subscriptions to our products, scaled based upon usage, and tripled our annual recurring revenue in 2020 to over $500,000. And we are on track to triple our revenue again in 2021. We are also in the process of setting up a reseller partnership with a large multinational vendor, which will further accelerate our penetration into the market. Now, the healthcare analytics market, which includes decision support, was worth $14 billion in 2019 and has been growing at 28% CAGR. It's projected to be worth $50 billion globally in 2024. Now, within this market, we are focused on cardiovascular imaging within North America and the EU, which is a serviceable addressable market of $2 billion. We are already fulfilling an immediate need for personalized diagnostic imaging, and by doing so, are creating a proprietary platform that will allow us to rapidly bring decision intelligence tools to the market. Therefore, we have already proven out the hardest part of our business. We have a product market fit, and we have a path to immediately grow value within our customer base. In the future, we plan to replicate and expand into other clinical areas, further increasing our addressable market. We are a company built on experience. Our team has expertise ranging from product development and data science to clinical practice to global corporate operations within the medical field. We are a Creative Destruction Lab alumnus and are supported by a strong panel of health tech entrepreneurs and medical key opinion leaders. This is a world-class team of dedicated and passionate individuals who are committed to changing medicine. We are looking for investors and innovative healthcare systems that are willing to go on this difficult but worthwhile journey to improve cardiovascular health, something that affects all of our families. Given our growth and traction, we will be raising a Series A round in 2022 and would like to start the conversation with you now. Instead of having doctors rely on substandard tools for decisions, let's create a future where clinical decision tools set the standard for other industries. Thank you.